What's up, Easy Does It Squad? Thank you for tuning in to another video. And today, all you need is 15 minutes minimum. Today we're doing shrimp fettuccine. Right now I'm adding garlic powder, some onion powder, some chili powder, and also some black pepper and salt. All you need to do is rub it in, guys. Just rub it in. And also, you don't have to use chili powder. You could use paprika if that's what you have. As I said, there's no textbook steps to take when you're cooking. Sometimes you just gotta freestyle. So my pot for my pasta is ready. And for this meal, I'm using fettuccine pasta. Then just leave them in the pot to cook until they're soft and ready. So in the meantime, we're going to get our shrimp ready. Go ahead, put a little oil in your pot for the shrimp. And just go ahead and cook them for a little bit on each side. Bear in mind you don't want to overcook them, or else they're going to get a spongy texture. Our pasta is ready, so we're going to go ahead and take it off the stove, and we're going to drain it and rinse with cold water. Once your shrimp is done cooking, all you need to do is add a little water to the pot and a piece of butter. Then let it melt. Once it's melted, start adding your pasta. Just go ahead and toss it around. Once the pasta starts to get a little heat, go ahead and add the shrimp and then add your creamy Alfredo sauce. Then just mix it in, guys. Just mix it in. If you're not satisfied with the texture, you could go ahead and add some more sauce. And for the last step, just add some parsley and some cheese. There you have it, guys. A home cooked meal. 15 minutes minimum. YouTube! Easy does it, squad. I hope you guys are trying these meals. It'll save you a lot of time in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe if you love this content. And give your boy a thumbs up. Peace.